Hello and welcome back to Garden Fun Times. In this video, you will learn everything about romaine lettuce. We're going to do an introduction to romaine lettuce, planting romaine lettuce from seeds to seedlings, transplanting and spacing romaine lettuce, growing conditions and care, common pests and solutions, harvesting romaine lettuce, and bonus tips. So if you want to learn more about romaine lettuce, please keep watching. Thank you. Romaine lettuce is a cool season crop that's known for its tall, crisp heads and slightly bitter flavor. It's great for salads, sandwiches, and even grilled. Plus, romaine is loaded with nutrients like vitamin A, C, and K, as well as fiber, making it a healthy choice for any meal. Growing romaine lettuce is actually quite easy, and it can be grown in garden beds, containers, or even indoors if you have the right setup. This is my recommendation on Amazon. It's 7,000 seeds, the Parris Island romaine lettuce. So try it for $6.99 and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much. My affiliate link will be in the description. To start growing romaine, you'll need good quality seeds, rich soil, and a sunny spot. Romaine prefers temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can either start indoors and transplant later, or sow the seeds directly into the garden. Here's how to get started. Number 1, fill seed trays or small containers with well-draining, nutrient-rich potting soil. Number 2, scatter the seeds on top of the soil and lightly cover them with about 1/4 inch of soil. Number 3, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Seeds generally germinate in 7 to 10 days, so please be patient. Once the seedlings are a couple of inches tall, it's time to thin them out. If you're growing them in a tray, thin the seedlings so they have plenty of space to grow. When your seedlings have grown about 3 to 4 true leaves, it's time to transplant them into your garden or container. Make sure the soil is well prepared with organic matter and space your plants about 12 inches apart. This spacing gives them room to grow tall and form those delicious, crunchy heads. Be gentle when transplanting so you don't damage the roots, and remember, give them a good watering after transplant to help them settle in. Romaine lettuce loves consistent moisture, but it doesn't like soggy soil. Water your plants deeply about once a week or more frequently if you're in a hot climate. Be careful not to let the soil dry out completely because romaine can bolt or go to seed if it gets too hot or stressed. Lettuce prefers full sun, but in warmer climates, providing some light shade in the afternoon can help prevent it from bolting. Like most leafy greens, romaine can attract pests such as aphids, slugs, and snails. To help keep these critters away, you can use floating row covers to protect the plants, hand pick slugs early in the morning, or use organic slug traps. Apply neem oil or insecticidal soap for aphids. Romaine lettuce is ready to harvest when the heads are firm and about 8 to 10 inches tall. You can either cut the whole head at the base or harvest the outer leaves as needed for a continuous supply. Pro tip: if you leave the base of the lettuce plant in the ground, you might even get a second harvest of smaller leaves. Want to get more out of your romaine? After you cut the head, leave about an inch of the stem and place it in a shallow dish of water. In just a few days, you'll start to see new leaves sprouting. While it won't grow into a full head again, it's a great way to get some bonus greens. After harvesting, it's important to keep your romaine fresh. Wash the leaves thoroughly and dry them well. Using a salad spinner is great for this. Then store the leaves in a breathable plastic bag or container with a damp paper towel. This will keep your lettuce crisp for up to a week. Now that we've got fresh romaine, homegrown, let's make a classic Caesar salad. Here's what you'll need. Freshly harvested romaine leaves, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and Caesar dressing. Simply chop the romaine, toss it with the dressing, croutons, and cheese, and you've got a delicious, healthy, homegrown salad. And there you have it, saving money by not buying romaine at the grocery store and eating fresh, homegrown romaine lettuce and having a new skill to show your friends. Growing romaine lettuce is easy, rewarding, and delicious. Whether you're growing in a garden, container, or even indoors, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown greens with minimal effort. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening from Garden Fun Times, where gardening is fun when you actually know what you're doing. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and let me know how your romaine lettuce turned out. Thanks. Bye.